Hello all, myself Madhvi Navarkar from Kekewak Polytechnic Nasik. Today we are going to cover the practical of subject Applied Multimedia Techniques. Today we are going to cover the practical to merge the images for the production of collage image. For this practical, the course outcome is to edit the images using graphical processing tool. Before starting the practical, we will see some theoretical part that what is collage. Collage is the collection of different images. For what purpose the collage is used? The basic purpose is to reduce the size, to reduce the space. Or it is a good way to utilize the space having multiple images. And such a type of collage images are basically used on social networking websites. Now we will see how to create the collage images. For creating the collage images, there are three different ways. First way is to use the paint. Now we will see how to do that in paint. Now see, this is the first screen of paint. Now you have to just paste the images on this canvas. So we will just click on paste from. Now see, I had taken one image. Again, I can take another image. Now I will just put this here. Then see, this is the fourth image. Like this, you can take any number of images here. Now, whatever you want, you can do the changes here. Now see, this will be done. Now, if you want to make it resize, you can just resize. Just select that image and resize that. Now see, this will be one of your collage. Now you can just select all this and then you can save it using any JPG. Suppose we can give here collage image 1. Now this is our first way to create the collage image using the paint. Now the second way, we can use it from the internet. For that, you have to use the website as www.photocollage.com. Now this is the front screen of photo collage. Now you have to just click here to drag and drop your images here. So just click on browse. Now you can take any number of images here. Suppose I am taking these 5 images. Just click on open. Now see, these all images are placed one after another. Okay. Now just clicking on this auto collage, it will create this collage. Then you can change the template also. Template means the layout, how it will be looked like. These are some templates that how your collage should be there. So suppose I am clicking this one, then see, this is the collage which is created. Then you can also give the text. So just click here, add text. Now see, this text is here. So you can just take it here and you can give the name to your collage. Suppose it is my, or you can just type here, it is my collage. Then see, there are some specifications that which color you want, which style you want. See, it is going to change. Suppose underline. Like this, you can give the font, background color, like this. So you can do such a type of changes here. Now you can just close this. Now see, this is your collage. You can see here. Okay, so this is your collage which is ready. Now you can add here any alignment options. Now you can preview the collage here, and you have to just right click and then save this collage. Now see, this collage is saved. Now the third way for creating the collage is you have to use the website as www.bfunky.com. In that bfunky you have to use the option create and then select collage. Now you can see start new. Now see here, there is the image manager. Image manager means you have to import the images. Now you can import the images from the computer. Okay, I had taken this 5 images. Then you can customize that. If you want to change the background color, just click here and you can give here the hexadecimal value of that color which you want. Suppose I am giving here hash 22db9b, then it will change this background color. Okay, then you can change the layout whatever you want, like this. Suppose this is the layout. Then you can give the text. Suppose it is my collage. You can give here. Then these are the text properties. Then you can just go to image manager and these images are there. You can just drag here. And see, this name is displayed. Collage practical. Now just click on save. Now where you want to save, you can give here the option. Suppose we are saving it on computer. Now see, you can save it as in JPG, PNG or PDF. Suppose I am saving it as JPG, then just click on save. Now this image is ready. That is